How to take screenshot and send it on Discord. First, go to the screen interface that you want to share. Press on the volume down button and power button at once in order to take the screenshot. Once the screenshot is taken, open the Discord on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. At left, you can see various options over here. Tap on the specific server or tap on the messages icon that you can see at the top. Tap on the chat where you want to send the screenshot. Now tap on the plus icon that you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen. You can see the photos over here. If not, tap on the option Photos. Now select the screenshot that you just took earlier. Tap on the option Select. Tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here the screenshot will be shared. Like this, you can take the screenshot and send it on Discord. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.